A Story of Fire by Alice G. Gosfield. In a world where magic breathes through the mountains and fire itself must be protected, one brave girl begins a journey she never expected. When the sorceress who guards the sacred fire suddenly disappears, fear spreads through the land, and only one volunteer steps forward, a girl named Larissa. Armed with nothing but courage and hope, she climbs the mountain in search of the one who controls the flame. But the mountain is alive with magic. Fairies hidden in rushing streams, dangerous storms sent by unseen demons, and creatures no one has ever imagined. Along the way, she meets an unlikely guide who is perhaps the only ally who can help her survive the journey. Together they face impossible challenges, climbing toward a crystal realm where the truth awaits. At the top of the mountain, Larissa will discover something even more powerful than magic: her own strength, courage, and the responsibility that comes with wielding fire itself. But this is not just a story you read, it's a story you help create. Throughout the journey, the book invites readers to become part of the adventure, with blank pages woven into the story, so you can draw the magical creatures, the mysterious landscapes, and the incredible moments exactly as you imagine them. Get your copy of A Story of Fire by Alice G. Gosfield at your favorite online bookstore today, and embark on a journey of imagination, courage, and creativity, where every reader becomes an artist, and every page becomes their own world.